Look at that. Do you see the Pandora floating mountains over the trees? Woo! And it's only going to be a couple of weeks. Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom. It's my final stop. It's probably a good one actually. It's very hot today, and Animal Kingdom always seems to be 20 degrees hotter than anywhere else. And it's about 1:15. So it couldn't be any hotter, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna go see the Lion King and try and get on Everest, but we'll see. Do you know the weird thing? A lot of people say this is their least favourite park, that there isn't enough to do, that it's a half-day park. I have never understood that, and I think they're missing the point of Animal Kingdom. This is a experience. This isn't just rides. This is take it in. You feel like you're right in Africa. You feel like you're right in Asia. You're in the jungle. Just enjoy the walk around, enjoy the animals. It's great. I'm dressed. I am dressed for Animal Kingdom today because Hakuna Matata, no worries. Look at that. The castle's beautiful. Spaceship Earth is impressive. This just blows my mind. You have to study it really carefully for all the animals carved into the bark. Wow. And of course the camera doesn't do it justice ever. It's just amazing. I think these are really cool. Pictures with the frames. One day I'll get one. So I've got like 3 hours maybe. So it's what will I fill my 3 hours with? We know Lion King. What else? What else do I really want to do? I think I'm going to go to Tough to Be a Bug, because I never do Tough to Be a Bug. Because I've always got children that get a bit scared. So she says, oh no, 10-minute wait, that's good. I think Tough to Be a Bug. Let's go try it. These posters. Zunga. Bug posters, so cute. It's just so immersive. This is the base of the tree. Look, there's even animals down here. Look at that.
You don't want a picture of a lemur?
Look at the chimpanzee there. So, I'm inside, it's Tough to Be a Bug. I haven't seen this in years.
Welcome to Tree of Life Preparatory Theater. Before we get that show started.
Alright, heading into Africa. Trying to make the 2 o'clock Lion King show. Because I can't really wait for the next one, sadly. Oh, it's hot.
Come on, lions, let's just assemble where he is. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's the lion section, all right. Hey, guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's go!
So I just finished watching the Lion King show, as you'll have seen, because I'll have posted it, and just recovering from the tears. I just checked the fast pass system, and I managed to get a fast pass for Everest at 3:45. So that is going to be. Oh my goodness! So that's going to be the last thing I do before I leave the park. I'm going to wait it out to ride Everest. So Disney Dreams coming true, thank you fast pass system. So I've got an hour just to walk around. I'm gonna get some food. Food next. I found another great view of the tree. There's a little pathway back here, away from the crowds. Find the animals. It's different from every angle. Anyway, yeah, I'm not in Florida at all. I'm in the rainforest or something. It's just gorgeous. It's the most beautiful park, and people kind of are looking for the rides and just enjoy it. Asia. You can tell you're in Asia by the prayer flags and colourful things in the trees. One day I will research a bit more and figure out, you know, learn a little bit more about what it's all about. So Asia, you can ride Kali River Rapids, you can go on Everest, they have the Tiger Trail here. It's amazing. Restaurant at Animal Kingdom is Yak and Yeti. Now, I didn't have time to have a reservation today. I will try the Yak and Yeti local food cafe. So I've gone for the beef teriyaki bowl with rice. So looks like this. Looks good. We'll see how it tastes. I can smell the rice. I know that's going to be good. So it comes from the same kitchen. So fingers crossed. Animal Kingdom is definitely a photogenic park. There is always something to be taking a picture of or filming. The attention to detail is off the chain. 3 peaks here. What you do is you can line it up with the mountains. That's the idea. You line up those 3 peaks with the mountains, and that's what the temple represents. So I did the pretzel. I did my waffle with chocolate and fruit. Dole Whip. It's the last snack to have. It's the frozen banana covered in chocolate. Not everybody likes this snack. Everyone wants the Mickey bar. This is better for me. No.
29. Not even close. Loading.
I love the detail in this park. I keep saying it. Look at this. I feel like these are new, these flags above me. It's just gorgeous. I'm gonna ride that. I wish I had more time to show you round this park. Truly. Oh, there's Doug doing his meet. Even the stores are gorgeous. But for us, it's time to leave. So we're going to go this way. Bye Tree of Life. Bye Animal Kingdom. Off we go.